Today we're going to try, and it's called installation. It's installation art, that's the name. It's not painting, it's not printmaking, it's not drawing. There is video and music, but it's a kind of installation, it's called. So today we're going to do one installation, one big installation maybe, or two. I thought actually maybe we could divide. First of all, what we're going to do is we're just going to try out some things. Okay, I can show you how to make a little dome structure. It's not so big, but this size, and it's quite easy to make. So try and equal distance. Yeah? Put one there. Okay. Who walked through this? More or less. Stop with that one, because if you knock it down, you might get back.
If you start to curve inwards, that would be amazing.
If you want to come in, you can do that. Slide that one in, and then you go to the other one. But what inspired me, just looking at art, other people's art, you know, looking at people's drawings, you know.
It was fun when it was small. Yours keep falling apart. Mine.
You can do that a little bit there. You have to do the cheers in the wrong place. Don't lean over. That's it.
Hello. How's Tom gonna get it?
What was, did you have a different dream that you wanted to achieve before you done it?
Before being an artist, if I did, it was to be an astronaut.